Ndewo, Kiakime. Ahambi Jama Kubuine Watragin Kuzibo. Okay, my name is Ijama. Today I just want to give you a little bit of motivation, okay? So ina Igbo, elela mmadụ anya n'ihu. Okay? Do not look at other people when you're learning Igbo. Do not compare yourself with other people. Elela mmadụ anya n'ihu. Okay? Just compare yourself with your past self. Okay? Ị na-asụ Igbo, ile nke sụrụ taa, tụlee ya na nke sụrụ ụnyaahụ. Mara ihe dị iche, mara ma ị na-aga n'ihu. Okay? So you see what you're speaking today, compare it to what you spoke yesterday and see if you're making progress. That's just what you need to do. Okay? Do not compare yourself with other people. Okay? And just to invite you, the free training I'm giving on Igbo Conversation is still on. We've got 2 more sessions to go, and I'd like you to join me. The link is below in the description. Okay? And this series, I've been doing it in preparation for the bootcamp, which is now open. So if you've been waiting for the Igbo Speakers Bootcamp, well, now is the time. It's open now for enrollment. Okay, and there you get like-minded people because we learn in a little group. So we get people that are supportive, friendly. We're not competitive. We're not comparing ourselves with each other, but we're there helping each other and helping each other speak Igbo. Oh, so if you want to hear more, click on the free training below and just learn more about Igbo Speakers Bootcamp. Kodi, this weekend as Igbo. Kodi.